Right, well, good morning and talo falava bikers. Back at Southern Motocross again today. It's Sunday the 12th of April. Horsham, first run at Horsham for the year, so looking forward to it. Should be a good one. The track is looking solid. They put a wee bit of water down and I thought they might have got some rain this morning. It was a bit of rain forecast overnight, and some of the areas I drove through quite close were actually really quite wet, and I thought, oh, it's God running the bows around the track, but actually the track itself seems to have missed the dowsing. Anywho, so track feels firm. I expect that we'll get a little bit of dust, but being that it's quite cool and breezy and still early springish here, a little bit cooler than one might like, hopefully it won't get too bad, but should be a good run out. No vets today, so just in the ability groups, so we'll see how that goes. The big unknown there is the burglars and whether I finish up in a group that's far too fast, but we'll see how we go. Should be a good one. Looking forward to it. I like this track. Good to be back here. And yeah, like I say, roll the dice on what group we finish up and do the usual thing. Try and stay on two wheels, have some fun and see how we go. All right, looking forward to it. See you out there. Ciao for now. All right, on the line, it's Moto 2. Okay, so it's five groups, A to E. I'm in the C group, so that's probably a bit fast for me. Well, it is a bit fast for me, so I'm in a bit over my head. So as with the first moto, I'll just try and hang on as best I can at the back, see if I can beat anybody at all. Try and avoid getting lapped, which I did avoid in the first race, but we'll see what happens in this one. I don't have much choice here but to go wide on the left of the start straight. You can see there it's a very tight right turn and rising right turn, and I've got caught a couple of times on the inside, and if there's a stoppage there, if the riders get stopped, I can't get my foot down because I'm too short, and so then I just fall over in the start corner, first corner, and that's really unhelpful. So although going wide is not a winning strategy, that's what I'll do to try and keep myself upright. Anyway, we'll see how we go. Like I say, it's a fast group last time. Just do the best we can. Second moto, so it's cut up pretty rough already. Oops, nasty. Whoops, that's a drainage pond, not the place to fall.
it's rough. Come on. Come on. Come on. Thinking the three ahead plus me are the tail end four. A couple of them are definitely vets that I usually ride with in the over 60s. So I've got no excuses really, have I? Thought I'd try that inside line. That was not a winner. Come on. Come on. Oh, come on. I need to get fitter. That's the job for the new next few weeks, is ride myself fitter. Because right, well, did last, I think, but didn't get lapped, so it could be a lot worse. Number 42, another over 60. So he beat me today in fair go to him. Alright, well, I'd like to say that was better than the first ride, but I don't think so. It's getting rougher and it's taking its toll on me, but anyway, good ride nonetheless. I'm pleased not to have been lapped. It might seem like a small thing, but someone did say it was one of the fastest C groups they'd said, so I'll take that. Whether it's true or not, I'll grasp that. You know, if you watch me before, you know the deal. If this is it, thank you very much for watching all the way to the end. I'll try and get myself in a class with more riders that I'm close to in the future, so it makes it for a better vlog. But anyway, thanks for watching. Ciao for now. If you want to like and subscribe, all that sort of stuff, bonza. If not, no worries. We'll see you next time. Ciao for now.